Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Gina Amon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make homemade KFC style chicken popcorn. This is very easy to make and turn out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. So these are the chicken breasts that I'll be using. I'm using 400 grams of chicken breast, and then I'll cut it into smaller chunks. This is what you're looking for. It should be more or less the same size. After I added it to a bowl, and then for my seasoning, I'm using chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, vegetable seasoning, chicken seasoning, ginger powder, salt, and dried oregano. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. When done, mix all these ingredients together till well combined. I'll marinate this for about 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours is even better. So I'll cover it with a cling film and marinate it. In a separate bowl, I'll add in flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and then I'll add in the same seasoning that I added to the chicken. I added in vegetable seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, and mix all those ingredients together till well combined. So basically the ingredients or the seasoning that I use for marinating the chicken breast is the same thing that I added to the flour. I'll divide it into 2 equal parts, keep half aside, and then move or work with the half that I divided it in. To that I'll add in egg and milk. I'll mix all those ingredients together till well combined and keep that aside as well. So basically there's the butter that we're going to use to coat the chicken breast. It's simple. Set this aside. At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oil. After 1 hour, I added the chicken breast to the butter mixture, and then I'll coat it well in it. Then I'll turn it into the flour, coat it in the flour again. So I did mine twice, but you can do it once if you want to, but I prefer coating it twice. You want it to be super crispy. So I coated mine twice, first in the butter, then the flour, back to the butter, and then the flour again. So basically that's it. This is very simple, it is easy, and trust me, this is delicious. But before, make sure you shake off any excess butter or any excess flour before adding it to the flour or the butter. Basically that's it, guys. This is simple, it is easy, and trust me, your kids, because it's tiny, it's small, your kids are going to like. My son almost finished all. So it should be like this when done coating, and then deep fry this bad boys, guys. Your kids are going to love it because it turned out so delicious. Well, because I marinated it for about 1 hour, and then it is well coated. The flour, I added in the seasoning to it. I added in egg as well, so it turned out delicious. It was crispy on the outside, soft inside. It was delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So stay close to it, keep turning it until it turns to lightly or slightly golden brown like this. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, but delicious as well. Just look at it. This is amazing. Try it. It is even better, 10 times better than street fried chicken. It's delicious. This is delicious. Better than KFC. Try it and you will see. Try it and you notice that Gina said it. Try it, guys. You don't know what you're missing. So guys, basically there's it. It's simple, easy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay blessed.